We're at Deja Vu Treasures. We're at Deja Vu Treasures, and with us is Melissa. Hi, Melissa.
Is that a deja vu there?
I know. We're at Deja Vu Treasures. It's a terrific store. You know, you can come to the store every day. It's always a different store.
There is something new.
There's something in here for everybody. Let's talk about what's in here.
Well, we have anything from DVDs that are $2 to clothing. We have furniture. We do a little bit of shabby chic. Just about anything, you name it.
And shabby chic's kind of popular. Well, what is shabby chic actually?
It is a form of distressed furniture. It just is a beautiful look. It's very contemporary. It's very cute.
And you do a lot of that yourself too, right?
Yes, I do.
And you have original artworks here too.
Yes, we do. We have a lot of original paintings. We also have just your average pictures and beautiful mirrors and things like that as well.
And then the clothing as well.
Yes, we have anything from baby all the way up to plus size. So we try and be very, very affordable so that, you know, a collector can come in here and find something, but also, you know, a mom with 3 kids can come in here and find something.
And something very special happens on Saturdays too. What's that?
Yes, my husband comes in, and he's here to purchase your items. So if you have some gently used household items, anywhere from furniture to DVDs, he can be here on Saturdays to take a look at them for you.
And he likes collectibles and toys.
Yes, he does. He likes 80s collectibles. So if you have any type of like Star Wars or Transformers or G.I. Joes, bring him in on a Saturday too. He'd love to see them.
But it's probably a good idea for people to give you a call to let you know what they might have.
Yeah, it's 386-462-0066.
And how else can we get a hold of you?
You can come by our store. We're right next to Hitchcock's in Alachua, 10 to 6, Monday through Saturday.